Hi guys, today I'll be replacing the amber side markers on my 2019 Honda Civic Touring with these LED smoked side markers. So as you can see, these are the stock ones which I'll be taking out. I have turned the tire inside so that I get better access to the back side of the marker because I have to unplug the clip to actually pull the marker outside. And I didn't really have any screwdriver handy at that time, so I was just like trying to pop the clip that is holding the marker with the car frame. And I just decided to use my thumb, which surprisingly worked, and I was able to pull out the marker. And these markers were still attached to the bulb housing, which definitely needed a Phillips head screwdriver. So I got one and it was fairly easy to remove it from the housing. The last part was to take out the bulb and the connector. So I simply had to twist it, pull it out. That's it. So I got the bulb out and I took the LED bulb that came with the new side markers and just put in the same housing and put it back into the new side marker. So I did struggle for the first part as it wouldn't let me twist the housing into the marker itself, and I was like, did I buy a wrong marker or what? But then I just kind of like played it around with it and then was able to figure out the actual trick, and I was able to put the bulb connector back into the marker. But now I had another challenge in front of me, which was basically putting the marker back into its original position and snapping it back to its place. So it took a lot of pushing and adjusting the metal frame behind the marker, or basically I would say behind the fender position. And as you can see here, it wouldn't just sit flush to the frame. And I just tried so many different things. I was like, okay, you know what? Maybe I screwed up or something. I just tried different things and finally I was able to push it firmly. I just had to like give it a little push, little force, and I was able to basically push it back to its original position. So now, since I was able to complete the installation on one side of the car, so I was much more confident that I'll be able to do the other side without too many issues. And since I knew what exactly I need to do and what exactly I need to look for. Alright, so now that the markers are installed, I think they look much better compared to the stock ones. They are LEDs, and since they are smoked and they look actually pretty good with the white color of my car, and they are much brighter as well. So I think overall it gives pretty good contrast to the color of the car. So let me know what you guys think about it, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. And I always try working on my car one way or another, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Thanks again, guys. Peace.